clean and stop any of this dust rust getting on her, mate. Do you know what I mean? It'll keep that shit clean, bro. To be fair, right, it doesn't really matter that much because obviously this does need a paint job, and I think I found a guy who's going to do it for about £1,000 as well, so that will probably be in like 5 months time. That'll probably be in like 5-6 months time we'll get it sprayed. But obviously, like, yeah, because there is a lot of little bits like that, and the bonnet needs to be rubbed down and redone, and there's like some bubbling around the back and that, but yeah, man, I think it would just look banging. I was going to try to just save this paint, keep it original paint, do you know what I mean? That's quite... But the engine bay underneath here is all, round there is all good, so we won't have to do that, so I can keep that all original paint, and any other little bits we'll try and keep, but yeah, just a touch-up paint job, really. But this should keep it all nice while we're getting all the rust dust in here, doing all that restoration shit. But all round there, all this needs to be sprayed, and that is paint here. It looks like the guy before started sanding this down to redo it, but if you check the other side, compared, look, oh, where is it? Oh, this side's actually good. I swear there's one of them got mad bubbled. Oh, it's actually this one, look. See, that's all bubbles there. It's all bubbles and shit up there. It's all really rough. So it needs to get sanded down and resprayed. Must have had a reaction. The only good thing is the bonnet, underneath the bonnet side, the paint's perfect, but what it is, yeah, it's because these mirrors are so fucking small now. I'm just seeing it, yeah, but look how small that is, mate. Like, how are you actually getting visibility in that? You ain't, mate, trust me. Reversing in here by myself, I was shook. I was just going to be scraping up the sides and that. It's because you can barely see anything in those mirrors. But they look good though. They do look good. No, they do look good. Underneath that row. You know what I mean? But the visibility is, and I've heard as well from on other videos, people say, oh yeah, the visibility ain't that good on them. But you gotta risk it for the chocolate biscuit. Like this, like this. I'll clean it up anyway. Okay, probably. I'm just glad it's not a bit rusty, any rust dust on now. So I'm going to start on the passenger side, and then we'll do the driver's side. Worked out what that rattling is. So. So we're about to bang on the Hammerite, and then we're going to start her up, let her run for a bit, and do a couple revs, just a weekly start up to keep her maintained in that. But we're just gonna throw on that Hammerite that we just, for all those bits that we just rubbed down. So let's get it. And it sounds like it's pissing it down. First I need to give this a little wipe down, so there's dust everywhere. There's dust everywhere. So that section right up there, it's all done. Much better. That extra bit there, it's done. So I just dusted out this next section, which we're going to start repairing. I'm not sure really what I'm going to do with it. I might get some metal, take some, have to put some metal in there, like actual bit of metal in there, but it's so tight on this side, so I don't park the car straight at all. It's like fucking well sideways. And it's like you can't even like crouch down properly, it's so tight. You have to just slide in and then just get underneath there. Let's get a refill. It's just plastic, but just so it looks a bit too enough because I've got mess all over it, so might as well. So that's the driver side all done. So that rusty bit there is the bit we're going to be replacing, and then metal filler in that part as well. But all of this part, it's all alright. I couldn't reach that bit there, but I'll get that now off cam. But yeah, happy with that. And then the plan for this is to take the exhaust off from the front, so we can get to these bits, repair that, and clean up these bits up there as well. So obviously we just have to take off these bits down there, and at the front, and then we'll unbolt it. That's level jam.